Hey, what's up guys? I'm heading out now to do a gutter cleaning job. I didn't realize this was as popular as it was, but it's the winter time, so I'm trying to find some extra work. So I put some ads on Craigslist and Facebook saying that I offer gutter cleaning. I picked up a job that I'm going to do right now for 200 bucks. And it's a single story home. Another plus about this job I'm heading out to now is I asked the lady if she cared whether or not I just blew them out or hand pick them and then put the stuff into a bucket. She said she didn't really care. She said I can just blow it out into the grass and she'll clean it up herself, which was really good, and she's gonna be paying me 200 bucks for this. So it's a win-win for me. I have another one scheduled on what is it, Wednesday next week, and this one is $100. That's what the guy said that the last guy did it for. He could have been lying, but whatever. I'm just trying to get some extra work right now. And I just went and picked up a handheld electric blower. That way I can, get up in there easily with a ladder, and I can just hold it with one hand while I'm holding on to something else. Like I said, I'm afraid of heights. I'm not doing anything that's above 1 story. I prefer not to get on somebody's roof if I can just reach it with a ladder. And I got decently long arms, so I should be able to just reach up there with the blower, standing on my 6-foot ladder, hopefully. The lady did say that she had some extra ladders laying around, so I can use those if I want, which is another good thing for this job. But 200 bucks, I figure it should take me about an hour to do this, depending on how big her house is. Really the only difficult part of this job is just moving the ladder around to different spots. That way you can reach everything. Yeah, really excited about this. I hope I get more gutter cleaning jobs. I didn't realize it was as big as it was. Alright, here it is guys. I finally got one. This is the M18 fuel. This is not the kit. This is just the regular tool only. It says it has a 3-year warranty. Luckily I have some CP 3.0 batteries that I can use with this. See what's inside. Hopefully there's no assembly required. Oh, and there it is. Here's the tube. Hopefully it's just like a screw-in thing. I know when I bought the weed eater, you had to put the whole thing together. Here's the engine. And this thing is light. Good for one-handed use. Hopefully I'll just be able to hold this up with one hand while I'm holding on to the ladder. Oh, there we go. It just sits in there until it's flush. Really nice, really lightweight. And it should pair really nicely with these batteries. 2 modes on this. A turtle and a rabbit. Alright guys, I'm back. It took an hour and 20 minutes to complete that job. Made 200 bucks, so not really bad at all. My biggest issue, and this kind of added to the time, was these high output 3.0 batteries. I've got 2 of these, and constantly this thing was dying like after 10 minutes. I do not recommend using this battery. They do sell this blower with a kit, so I would immediately buy that, or if you buy just the tool itself, make sure you get one of the biggest batteries they have. This was not only embarrassing for me to tell the people, I've got to charge up these batteries while I get this job done, especially having 2 of these. I figured I would have plenty of runtime. I was seeing where it said you can get up to 30 minutes of runtime. That must be with the 8.0 battery that's included with the kit, not this battery right here. Also, when you buy the kit, you're not going to get the rapid charger, which is something I had to buy separately. I think I got it in another kit somewhere else. I think it was like it was either the 8 or 9 amp with the rapid charger, and that was like 169 bucks. This stuff is really expensive. These batteries, I got these on sale for 2 for $99, which is pretty good. But you can get a 6 amp battery, I believe, for the same price. And I don't know if it's probably better to have 2 of these, that way you can use one while the other's charging. But really disappointed with these batteries. I want to say total I got about 10 minutes of runtime using that blower at high speed.